how to connect your YouTube with N8n step by step. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to talk about how you can connect your YouTube with the N8n workflow. So you can automate your scheduled post, or you can say you can automate your content creation. Now let's talk about the requirement. First, you need to have an N8n account. If you don't have an N8n account, just go into description and click on the link. You will find 15 days free trial using that link. Now let's move to the next requirement, which is Google Console Cloud account. Now, if you don't know what is Google Console Cloud, let me just search this. Okay, there we go. This is a Google Console Cloud. You have to come on to this website and sign in with your account. After that, what you have to do is get back to your N8n, and this is my workflow. As you can see, I have used two kind of nodes. First is, you can say, independent node, and the second one is AI agent tool. So we will perform two actions over here, and then when I open this, let me just open this node. Now it will ask me to create or select credentials. Now from here, using this method, you can connect your YouTube with N8n. So what you need to do is you have to just select your YouTube node from the left side, search YouTube, and then from here you have to choose, as you can see here, there are a lot of action you can choose, like you have a playlist item action, video creation, or video action. So these are the actions. So I have chosen to upload a video action. Now let's connect it. Now click on this create credential button, and from here you will see you got auth redirect URL. Now what we need is client ID and client secret. Just copy this auth redirect URL and get back to your Google Console Cloud account. Now, if you're a new user, you have to create a new project. Now, I have already created a new project. So as you can see in the top, so click on this open project picker. And as you can see, I have 4 projects. Now, if you don't have any project, just create new one. So my limit is over, so I cannot create more project on Google Cloud. But if you're a new user, you can create. Now, from here, you have to navigate through this navigation menu. And from here, you have to go to API and services. And from there, you have to go to library. Now, let's enable the API of YouTube. Now from here you have to search for YouTube API. Now you will get a lot of APIs, so you have to just simply enable this YouTube data API v3. So make sure you have enabled this one. Okay, there we go. We have successfully enabled our YouTube. And now after that, what you need to do is you have to go to credentials. So we will create new credentials. Before that, we will go to creating OAuth consent screen. So click on this OAuth consent screen from the left side and wait for a few seconds. Now, when you choose the OAuth consent screen from this navigation bar, as you can see, it will see something like this. You have to just simply click on this get started button. And from here, you have to enter the app name. For example, I will just add Connect N8n. And then after that, you have to enter the user support. And then you have to just simply click on the next. Now, from here, you have to choose the audience. So I will choose the external audience, and then I will click on the continue. So now I have to enter the contact information section. And then I will click on this next button, and I will agree with the Google's privacy policy agreement and click on the continue. And then after that, I will click on this create button. So it will create our Google Auth consent screen. So wait for a few seconds. Now there we go. Now it will ask you to create OAuth client. Just simply click on this. Now I will switch from here. So I will go to client section from the left side. You can access it from here as well, and you can access from here as well. Sorry, from the client as well. So as you can see, I have already created OAuth 2-point client IDs. And if you go into my overview, let me just show you. So these are the things which I am using. Now let's get back to client and create our client. So just simply click on this create client button, and from here I will give web application. Now from here I will give my application name YouTube. Okay, now from here, this is the important step. You have to enter the authorized redirect URL. Just simply click on this add URL button and get back to your N8n and copy this OAuth redirect URL and paste it over here. And then you have to simply click on this create button. Now it will give you the client ID. Just copy this client ID, paste it over here, and then get back to your Google Cloud console and copy the client secret. Now, okay, so click on the secret. No, that's it. This is what you have to set up, and just simply click on the setup button, or you can say okay button. Now, most important thing after that, after creating your client IDs, go to audience, and from here you have to make sure that you have published this app. If you haven't published this app, just simply click on this publish app button and then click on the confirm button. So it will publish this app. Our app will be available on anyone with the ID and password. Now let's move and click on the save button from here and scroll down a little bit. You will find this sign with with the Google button. You have to just simply click on it, and from here you have to choose an account. In my case, I have used this account to create credentials, so I will choose that. Now, okay, there we go. Now, after that, you don't need to worry about this. Google hasn't verified this app. You have to just simply click on this, go to N8n project unsafe, and you have to give all the permission which are necessary. Now, just simply click on the continue, and as you can see, we have successfully connected our YouTube with N8n. Now, let's get back and do some things over here. Now, I will choose education. So I will upload this video into my YouTube account. So just execute this as step. Let's see. Please execute the whole workflow. It's saying wait for a few seconds. This node is downloading the video. No data found yet. Okay. Now the YouTube video, I guess it's uploading. Now there we go. We got the upload ID. Let's check. Now, as you can see here, we have successfully uploaded our video. You can do a lot of configuration over here. You can customize based on your need. This is just I have set up for my tutorial. So if you want more detail in it, you can just comment it down. Let's execute this one. So give me my YouTube videos. Let's see how this AI agent responds. So if you don't know what is AI agent in N8n, so it's basically a very great way to do your work. What it does, do you want put it in all of your videos? It's asking me. Yes, return all my videos. So let's see. Okay, wait for a few seconds. Okay, I have retrieved all your videos. I found video title test video, as you can see. So it's working both of things. If you found this video helpful, then subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.